In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get better Canvas so that you can fully customize your Canvas for whatever school you currently go to. As you can see in this Texas Tech Canvas right here, it's kind of bland and kind of boring. Well, Better Canvas is obviously going to improve that. Before we do dive in the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, in order to go ahead and download Better Canvas, you are going to need to be accessing Canvas on Google Chrome. And what you're going to want to do is actually open up another web browser and search up Chrome Web Store, just like so, and hit enter. From here, click on the first link to go to this page and just search up at the very top for Better Canvas and select this first option. From here, go ahead and hit add to Chrome and then hit add extension. And what you're going to want to do is just simply refresh your Canvas page to begin setting it up. So exit out of this page, go back to Canvas and just refresh. And as you can see, this time it's going to load completely different and look a lot cooler. Not only is it going to show you the due dates, it's also going to show you what you've already done and so much more. And on top of that, our next video is going to be a full walkthrough on how you can customize every single one of these icons, so stay tuned for that. It'll probably already be up on the channel by the time you guys are seeing this. I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.